What if I told you that you could turn a simple idea into a fully animated video without showing your face, without editing for hours, and without hiring anyone? Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly what today's tool does. Welcome back to YouTech. In this video, I'm going to show you Mootion AI, an AI-powered platform that lets you create faceless animated videos in just a few minutes. Whether it's tutorials, kids' stories, ads, or entertainment, Mootion brings your ideas to life instantly. Once you log into Mootion, you'll land on a clean and easy-to-use dashboard. At the top, you'll see different options to start a video, including beginning with a text prompt. Just below that, you'll find templates tailored for different video types, like general content, social media, kids animation, education drama, narratives, religious stories, mindfulness, and entertainment. Beneath these categories, there's a gallery section where you can explore sample projects and choose the one that fits your idea. Let's go ahead and create a video from scratch. In the prompt box, enter your video idea. For this example, I'll type cultural tapestry of Africa. Once you hit enter, Mootion automatically gets to work. First, it understands and structures your story. Then, it writes a detailed script. Next, it creates a visual storyboard. After that, it builds the post-production layout including voiceovers, transitions, and background music. Now, Mootion will start generating visual images that match each scene. You'll see unique visuals created for every part of your story. The platform will notify you once it's complete.
Africa, the second largest continent on Earth, significant number of ethnic groups that inhabit the continent, each with unique traditions.
Click Edit Project. This is where you can fine-tune your video. You can update the title of your project edit or rewrite the script for each scene. Click Animate All to turn them into animated scenes. You don't need to animate each one manually. Mootion handles it for you. If you're not happy with an image, click Regenerate to create a new version. Need more control? Click Edit on any image inside the image editor. You can crop the image, flip it horizontally or vertically. Use the brush tool to draw or add new elements. Use the eraser to remove unwanted parts, or completely replace the background. Let's do that quickly and done. You can click on Replace button and import the photos from the PC as well. If you want to animate a single image manually, just click the Animate button on it. You can either describe the motion you want or leave it blank and let the AI do the work. Once done, the still image will be replaced with the animated version. You can also add extra elements to each scene. Video title style, subtitle style, choose from multiple designs that suit your tone. Thumbnail, visual effects, add smooth transitions between scenes for a cinematic look. Now, let's add a voiceover.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait long.
Choose from a list of AI voices, both male and female. Want to include an avatar? Mootion lets you add digital presenters with synced lip movements and expressive gestures. Now, it's time to set the mood with background music. Mootion offers a library of tracks you can preview before adding. Pick the one that fits your video best. Once you finalize the visuals, script, music, and voiceover, click Compose It. Mootion will now assemble your video from start to finish. This can take a few moments depending on complexity. Once it's ready, you can preview the video.
Africa, the second largest ethnic groups that inhabit the continent, each with unique traditions, beliefs, and customs that enrich the storytelling and community expression in Africa. From the ceremonial dances of the Zulu in southern Africa to the intricate footwork of West Africa's Atalogwa dance. Each performance tells a story that has been passed down through generations, preserving history and identity.
Everything is professionally packaged and ready for publishing on social media, websites, or presentations. With hundreds of templates and endless customization options, Mootion is ideal for YouTube creators, TikTok, and Instagram content. It's optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile, so you can work from anywhere. So if you want to turn your ideas into high-quality animated videos without editing headaches, Mootion is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching.